All right, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to cover an answer to a few questions that I got. How hard is it to change the filter in this Ridgid Portable Vac? Especially considering the setup I have. I have the hose reel mounted on the wall, the hose going up to the Ridgid Portable Vac that's sitting up on the shelf. You know what? It's super easy. Let's get it done. All right, so changing the filter on the Ridgid Portable Vac is super easy. All you do is open the machine. It's the filter right there. You grab the two outside holding areas, press on the center, filter pops right off. Discard it, clean it, do whatever you want with it. To put it back on, just slide it over the housing, make sure it's seated correctly, and then push to get that to pop right into the center like that. Super easy. Then it's as simple as putting the machine back together. And there you have it, a filter change on the Ridgid Portable Vac. Super easy, super quick. So if you like these kind of videos, please hit the subscribe, hit the like button, that helps us out, and leave any comments. How do you change your filter? Any questions about changing a filter? And we'll see you on the next one. Yeah.